Unlocking the past. The power of memory goes back to. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or read in English. Memory goes back to. Understanding this phrase can help you express memories or experiences from the past vividly. So, let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it correctly, and look at some examples to clarify its usage. Stay tuned to enhance your English skills. The phrase, memory goes back to, is used to express that someone remembers something from a specific time in the past. It's a way to indicate that the speaker is recalling or revisiting a memory that is significant to them. This phrase is often followed by a time period, an event, or a moment in one's life. It highlights the ability of the memory to transport someone back to a different time, emphasizing the clarity or importance of that memory. Using memory goes back to is quite straightforward. Here's the structure you can follow. Start with the subject, usually, my memory, or my mind. Use the phrase, goes back to. Follow with the specific time, event, or moment you are remembering. For example, my memory goes back to the summer of '89, when I first learned to swim. Every time I hear that song, my mind goes back to the unforgettable trip we had to Paris. This structure helps create a strong connection between the present and a past memory, making it a powerful tool for storytelling or reflecting. Let's put our phrase into action with some more detailed examples. 1. Childhood memories. My memory goes back to those lazy afternoons spent at my grandmother's house, filled with stories and her homemade cookies. 2. Historical events. For those who lived through it, their memory goes back to the moment they heard about the moon landing. 3. Personal achievements. Whenever I face a tough challenge, my memory goes back to the day I completed my first marathon, reminding me of what I'm capable of. These examples show how the phrase can be used to evoke a wide range of emotions and memories, from nostalgia and joy to inspiration and determination. Understanding and using the phrase, memory goes back to, can significantly enrich your English communication, especially when sharing personal stories or reflecting on past experiences. It's a beautiful way to connect with others by giving them a glimpse into your life's pivotal moments. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase's meaning and usage for you. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to share your memories and stories using what you've learned today. Until next time, happy learning!